What is this?
Caterpillar.
I can't hear you.
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar. Does caterpillar start with the k sound? Do we go k, k, caterpillar? Can you say k, k, caterpillar?
Caterpillar.
Yeah, that's good. What is this?
Bear.
Bear. Does bear start with the k sound?
No.
Do we say k, k, care?
No.
No. Do we say b, b, bear?
Yes.
Ah, good. What is this?
Cow.
Good. Does cow start with k?
Yes.
Can you tell me how you know?
Because cow.
Yay! Good work.
Yay.
Who is she?
Queen.
Queen. Does queen start with the k sound? Can you show me how?
Queen.
Now watch my mouth. Watch my mouth. K, k, caterpillar. K, k, cow. Qua, qua, queen. Qua, qua, queen. Is that the same sound?
No.
No. Do you see how my mouth was different? Can you go k,
Ka.
k,
Qua.
qua, qua?
Qua.
Yes. So it's a different sound.